I was like literally watching a video right now where the girl was like saying literally like every third word, like literally, girly, literally. And you can get monetized literally, like literally. I'm like, what? But I had to bring the doggies out, so literally, it is a beautiful day, and I can't stop saying literally, like, literally. It's literally like a real part of the day, and it's so cloudy, but it's like literally I could see the blue sky and the clouds, so I'm feeling inspired to like literally go like grab my watercolor and paint something. And there's so many birdies in the sky right now, and they're like tweet, tweet, and they're tweet, tweet. And I'm like, literally, gonna go paint something. Because, like, you know, it's like inspiration in nature and things. And I can't believe she was talking like that the whole time. Well, like that, but like with my Pam personality, you know? Like, there's so many tweeters out here, like, tweet, 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 tweet. You hear the birdies? And the nature? Nature's so pretty. Oh, it's a nice breeze. Oh, it's so cool and refreshing. No snow. No snow. No. And that bush is dead. Oh, look at those leaves. They're so literally like brown, like crispy, like, let me go like a flashback. Autumn. We did. Oh, yeah, literally, just hanging on by a thread. But why is that one still green? I don't get it. Oh, it did not have the capacity to survive. Oh, look at the little birdie. Oh, wee, tweet, wee. And literally, that one has like just like one leaf here, 50,000 branches, one leaf here, one leaf there, 50,000 branches. But it's nice outside. Like, Laura, I feel inspired to go painting. And my gosh, it's Monday, but I don't care. It's like, literally, it's like, oh, look at those birdies. Oh, squirrel. I wonder if I'll see a squirrel today. Oh, that would be so pretty. Like, so natural. Tweet, tweet. Tweet, tweet, I hear you. Tweet. It looks like a pigeon, but I'm just gonna go like that, 'cause my son took my brushes, and I don't know where he put them, and I hope this ends up looking pretty. Let's go, Twitter. Gonna start with the light color, and then I'm gonna put some yellow, 'cause yellow makes me happy, la la la. And then I'm gonna rinse my brush, and then I'm gonna choose another color. Pink looks good 'cause it's February. I think I'll put some pink on my little yellow chicken. I don't know what kind of bird this is. Oh, making that noise. Look at that bird. It's so pretty colorful. Pretty chicken. Like the tweeters that were flying outside. Tweet legs. You look like you go to the gym. Tweet. Tweet. No, I don't really think this is serious, but I just felt like painting something. Look at the length of that tail, man. Look at you, birdie. Birdie, been working out. Oh, look at that. Not even bothering with watercolor paper. Ooh. Pointy patitas. Should I add another color? No, Pam, stop it. I don't know, but I think I'll make another birdie. And outside there was little birdies flying, and they were far away, but I couldn't see them. So I couldn't see them, and they look like this. Little birdies far away, flapping their wings, trying to get away from me and my artistic talents. Not even. Maybe it was a plane. I don't know. Maybe it was a swallow. I don't know. It was flying fast. It's fast flying birdie. It was a very happy birdie. It looked like that. And then there was another one who looked like that, like he was in 3rd grade with me. He followed me home from 3rd grade, and he's a little heavy on this side. And if I try to fix him, you know what's gonna happen? He's gonna be really chunky on one side. So I'm not gonna fix that birdie. And I saw outside, I saw a bunch of little leafy things. And the leafies look like this, and they look like that, and they look like this, and that, and that, and that. Try to get some more patience. And then I saw that one tree, and then, oh, it wasn't a tree. It was the one bush. And on that one bush, everything was that color. The color. Just like your soul. You know, sometimes it's just colors. And you just want to look at the colors in the Crayola box. And you're like, ooh, rinse your brush, Pam. Are you going to actually paint something? Or are you just talking? Lovely. I just felt like playing with pretty colors in a fat watercolor brush. Wow. It's too early in the morning. Ooh, I know what I'm going to paint with. I think I'm going to try. Try. Ooh, sparkles. I wonder if I like them. You don't know what you got till you try them. You know, in the video, in the commercial, it looks so pretty. Of course, sucker. Everything looks pretty in the commercial because you gotta buy it. Let's see if it looks as pretty as it did on the commercial. It's wet. Let me try again. Oh. You know, this started out as like a nature video and a Happy Monday video, and laterally I am squirting. You know what, though? Happy Monday. Because literally, you don't know what the rest of the week is going to be like. So, literally, I hope that you literally enjoy yourself literally. And like, you know, like have fun with this literally, glitterally, I made up a word. Literally having a fun week. And I hope you see a lot of tweets and that they make you happy and remind you that, like, you know what? Spring's on the way. Don't you worry. Things will get happy. And you can bake little pretty flowers again. You know, it's not that difficult. You can make something pretty. And even if you think it looks ugly, somebody nice can say that, ooh, that's so pretty. And you know what? Maybe, just maybe, you'll start to believe that you got something nice, something cool to add to the world. And I bet you do. You just don't know it. And I really don't know what my message is today other than positivity. But literally, I hope it's a good day.